welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday, the 19th. Yeah, the 19th of October 2024. And today guys, mag-harvest ta. We will do some harvesting of my eggplant because tomorrow we're going to Cham's place, my Filipino friend here in Oz. So magdala ta og kuan. Talong if the talong is still okay, if they're not that old, because I haven't harvest yet since I arrived. We arrived Monday and today is Saturday. So mag-harvest na guys to bring tomorrow, and mag-update na rin. Do an update of my gardens after a month of holiday. So harvesting and garden update we'll do today guys. So let's go and harvest. Kasi magkalok ko kay mainit pa. Before we going to church, mag-harvest na kay biyaan na pataniwan. Simba pa mi. Kay ugma mula ka mi sayo. Kay 2 hours drive ang mong atuan ipi. I will be driving 2 hours tomorrow with Marify. So let's go and harvest some eggplants, and I will show you guys my ako ang red onions is giant. Have a look. My red gibungot niya akong garden guys, kay wala kapamunglay. Nantawa na gibungot guys. Nantawa ng kuan kamatis la babuyag. Dako pa sa ako ang palad la naman na guys, buyag dako nahulog naman gani ng uban guys. Tang naman kay iya and look at that. This is the black Russian tomato. Yan, nanagkurabi po siya dire. Tingnan mo siya. Ano siya? Ada lingalan guys. Pot price. Yan ang mga bunga. Anya anong namatay maning taas ani. Nada bunglayan lagi guys, bunglayan. And look at my eggplants. My eggplants kay loose pad lagi ni siya. No, nang green naman eh. Kaya na siya bunga guys. Namuti lang ng loose pad lagi na nangahinog na guys. Nangahilo na nang wala ni harvest dayon na ako. Na nagdapat sa yuta. Nangahilo naman eh. Yan. No, nangagulang na guys oy. Nangausik. Nangagulang. Nangagulang, harveston na nato. Let's harvest it. Ay, ang ako pa day. Forgot to show you my tawa ko ang red onions guys. Buyag. Buyag, tambok. Yan, dako. Buyag ko. Nangadagko na sila. Yan, ma-harvest na dagay na guys. Nanggawas naman na sila. Buyag, dagko buyag. Kana guys, kana kay dako na siya. Dako pa sa kinumo. Yan. So mag-harvest na ta guys. So guys, I'm done harvesting the eggplant. So many of them is old already, and they are very skinny and they are pale. Namuti. They're not purple. Anyway, while harvesting it, I'm pruning the eggplant too. Okay, nasa man to siya, di na siya kaginawa. Daghan na kay siya sanga. Look at that. See? Nahawan-hawan na siya guys. Kaginhawa na siya. Kita na ang mga sagbot. Kung gipamutan og dahon og sanga sa ubos para makaginhawa na. Kita na siya. Na siya spice. Kay murag naniwang noon siya nang daghan kay siyang sanga na kung mga pinutol na ko ang mga dahon kay mga gulang nga dahon tangtang sumana siya. Forget to show you all the harvest guys. Yan, that's the harvest. Eggplant nga luspad o kuan nangayilo na ng uban na muna siya nangayilo yung luspad ang butong makaon pa ba ni Basta na-harvest na siya kay na-stress na ang mga punuan sa kadagan sa bunga. Murag kamatyon pod ang punuan, guys. So karon mag-update na lang ta. Nabuyag dud akong sibuyas nang gawas. Buyag dagko. So mag-update na ta sa akong garden. Popo, guys. They're getting ripe. Johnny already harvested one and ate one. And I harvested one yesterday. Yellow ka siya, pero green pa ng pikas. And the other side, yan, gabulig. Anya ang pinakaunang bunga kay gamatitoy. Ako ka naapit na ma-harvest. And lantawa, akong garden, di ba kadaghan bunglayon. My rosemary is growing healthy. And look at my roses. They're dying in the new plants. And my zucchini in here, guys, died. Namatay. Wala na, oh. And that is parsley, nilabong, buyag. Yeah, muna kung tanaman naning na. Mangaw na og kalasangan. And my lemongrass is labong too. And our citrus here, we call this lemonade. Lots of fruit, always fruit. All year round, ni siya nga bunga, guys, no? Pero buyag, budagan na siya bulig. Magugatan na lang ng kuan. And let's go at the back sa akong garden sa luyo. So, our orange, anak po siya bunga. Tawa, guys. Medyo dagko na yung bunga. Yan. Yan. Basta na siya yung mga bunga. Ni taas siya, guys. And my avocado nangarol, losing leaves. Pero it's small fruit here. Can you see it, guys? Yeah, the small. And there's one little bigger there. I hope they will go big. And that one, one man, losing leaves. There's more small ones there. And look at my roses in it trimming. It's high now, higher like the avocado. But there's more there. Hello, guys, there's more here. Yeah, but I think the weather is so hot. And they look like they need water. Anyway, I got to Johnny's lemon. Lots of fruit too, and they're getting bigger. Uy, lorikit. Yeah. Nanay hapit mahinog. Oh. Sa ibabaw. Yan. Na-yellow na siya. And look at the fruits of Johnny's lemon. Yeah. We don't need to buy lemon anymore. Yan. Kaya mahal ang lemon, guys. $1 each or $1.20 each. Ano siya? Tapos sa ibabaw. Hala. Taas na kaayo. May mga bago. Bunga. Yan. So yan ang lemon ni John, ready to harvest na soon. Ang uban. So let's go to my garden at the back. Wait lang gaman. Pantay tayo sawa, guys, kay kuyawan. Ay, ang kanay banana, another is puso. New banana. Look. There. First there and here. Yan. And there's one there that I already took, the heart. And this the other two here. They're growing. Yan. That's it. And my garden here is not looking good. Look, that one is not looking good. One eggplant died with ripe fruit in it. Ako na niya ipabulad para magamit ang seeds. And my spinach in there, or alugbati, namatay. And look at my calamansi. It's a bit yellowish. not looking good. I need to give something to that plant. And here is my Roma tomato. It needs pruning in the bottom, but it's fruiting. Yeah, lots of fruit there. And yan, but I need to trim them. And the two eggplants here, only one grow. This one is dying, and some lettuce growing, and some of the sweet potato root grow again in here. See my Roma tomato. Yeah, I need trimming. It's bushy. And this one is the sweet potato just grow here from the roots, I think, because I did not plant it there. Here is my new bed of sweet potato. They're already growing. Yan, sweet potato. And this is lettuce, guys. I'll let it die in there so that it will grow again. And here's my iceberg lettuce. It's forming circle now. Look, it's forming circle. Oh, ala, naiulod. Yan. And my shallots, spring onions, they're growing. Yeah, spring onions. More in here, but they're not growing well in this side compared to that one. It's getting bigger. And my choco, I just harvested some choco the other day because they're already big and old. Wala, ni kalat kata ari guys. Oh na, magkakarbis tag choco anya na hato ibabaw na kalat man na dira. Yan, wala nagbunga pa kung gi-harvest. There's pa there coming soon. There's more coming soon. There's small piney, and a ginger is not growing yet. Oh, I started I see guys. So ginger is start growing. Yan, and I shoots, new shoots, and more. Kandirik is more lemongrass. They grow. Yan, and pawpaw there. So that's my garden. That's my garden update here at the back, and we go back there. I have more in the other side. Johnny, come to tell me it's time, close to time to church.
Nearly time.
Look at the eggplant. I harvested them all, and I pruned them. It's bloody hot. I pruned it because I think the eggplants have too much leaves and branches, so I take some.
Trees that keep on giving.
There's no fruit at the moment. I take them all. Yeah, they're getting old, yellow.
Take them down to some, no?
The old ones, I don't know. I will choose some. So I'll just finish my garden update. Harita oh, look at guys. Paliyang turok lang. Namunga oh. Tara, ito sa langit ng bunga guys daw. Passion fruit dyan. Buhi pa dyan po. Namunga na po. Oh, paliya. Turok na siya guys. Kanang nilabang liso ni turok. Yeah. Ako ang oh. Pineapple. Nibunga na siya. My pineapple. Kanang ako ang moringa guys. I need to cut them para mo dahon o bago. Okay na. Nagulang ang bunga. Bunga, dahon. And here, my beans. They're getting old. Pang seedlings na lang ni guys. Okay na nga. Nangagulang na ng mga bunga oh. Nangamatay na. Seedlings na lang na siya. Oh, napay paliyahan na oh. Maturok na siya. Nangagulang na ni ko beans. Yan. Ang palaya, nikalabat niya oh. Ang bunga, turok rasad na siya. Naka-harvest ko. Harvested the other day. Wala pa naluto. Na oh. Ang bunga diya oh. Karabita mo bunga raog. Sag-asa. So wala gitanong. Kusimba na ba? May 15 minutes ko no guys. Kana pod siya. Cherry tomato nga. Turok ra po na siya. Dili tinanong. See? I need to clean in here. Daghanan akong layon guys. Look at the beans. All the beans is dead. Yeah, the beans are dead. Yan, pang seedlings na lang na siya. So, yeah, I think that's it. That's it, I think. My garden update. my roses. I have a new flower here. The Double Delight. Double Delight rose. And kaning siya. Brandy kay na nalaya na siya. So nalaya na. And gardenia ni. This gardenia of Johnny is smell good. Humot siya. Ang bulak. Mabaho, makabaho juga sa iyang bulak. So anyway, mura to atong update guys eh. Mura to siya. Nag-harvest din ko. May harvested popo yesterday, no? Yellow. So that's it, our garden update guys and harvesting. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye. God bless.